Happy birthday, Joshua and Matthew, in their class.
I don't have a chair.
You don't have a chair? Who sits there? Matthew. Oh, that's Matthew. Go to your seat. Go to Joshua. Go to your seat. Go put your hat on. Go put your crown on.
I just cut it.
Put it in here. Put your sheet here.
Yeah, go put that on. Did you make that?
And your blanket.
I can't have food.
Daddy, put it on.
This is Johnny.
Yes. Good boy. Good boy. Happy birthday, Joshua. Happy birthday, Matthew.
I love fruit.
Oh, they got their birthday spot. I make it oh, look at that.
Room 3.
Room 3.
Happy birthday, boys.
Take a picture of that.
There's Gavin hiding.
Okay, come
Hi,
on.
Gavin.
Everybody sit down. Quickly, get this fruit.
Judy, you sit here by yourself? Where's Danny? Yes. What's your name? Oh, you're Daniel. Hi, Daniel. How you doing? And you're Emma? Hi, Emma. There's Neil. Hi, Neil. What's wrong?
I got a chair. I don't know.
You want to sit with Joshua?
This is the best birthday. Peekaboo. I'm over here.
Judah, what are you eating?
Fruit.
You got fruit? What's Joshua eating?
I love kiwi because it has potassium.
Good boy. And when you finish it, there's more. There's more. I have more fruit for you. Okay? Right, Matthew?
And look how nice they are
Right there.
waiting.
Right there.
Yeah.
Yes, I got it for you. Where's Joshua?
What is my camera? Oh, you see?
Where's Joshua?
My camera is around here.
Hi, Joshua. That's Mommy. I can't talk now. I'm at the boys' school.
Okay, everybody look
What?
at me.
Later.
Big chair.
I can't. I always see you get home. I love you. I still work. I have the
You
truck.
ready?
Please
You
sing.
don't have a bowl? Oh no, because
They're the books that Mommy got for them for school.
you have bowl
You ate? You want more?
the fruit is there.
Want more fruit?
Okay, come over here.
Look at the picture.
Look at me.
Smile. Good boy. Look at the camera.
Oh, push the camera.
I love your hat. Who made your hat? Your teacher? Miss Ruth made that?
Oh, those are so nice. You want to be there and I take a picture
Sure.
with them?